Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Snapchat and making sure the app is updated. This prevents hidden new toggles. Once done, tap your profile avatar, then the gear icon to reach settings. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change, since settings are per account. Next, locate memories and chat settings. These are where saving behavior is controlled. You'll act on both to stop automatic saves. Do not skip directly to chat toggles without checking memories first, because both interact. Inside memories, switch off any autosave or smart backup options and disable save to camera roll so snaps won't be copied automatically. Once done, go back to settings right arrow chat settings and set clear chats to after viewing. This reduces the chance conversations are preserved. Also disable autosave stories and stop automatic syncing with any linked cloud accounts. Make sure to confirm each toggle visually. Some options have sub-menus, because turning off one save path while leaving another enabled can still store content. Finish by clearing the Snapchat cache. Settings right arrow account actions, right arrow clear cache, then force close and reopen the app to ensure toggles apply. If saving behavior persists, go to your phone's app permissions and revoke storage access, then re-grant minimal permissions. Sometimes Android or iOS restores sync. If problems continue, log out and back in or reinstall. Important troubleshooting tip. You cannot stop recipients from taking screenshots, notify contacts, and use ephemeral messages when privacy is critical. Check for app updates regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.